Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Good morning, students. How are you today? Yes, I'm fine too. Before we are going to learn about the class, please Taufik, lead your friends to pray.
Let's pray together. Pray together.
Okay, thank you. Anybody absent today? Yes, okay. Where is he?
He is sick.
He is sick. Okay, get well soon for him in order he can join the class again. We are in the pandemic. We have to keep our healthy and keep spirit to learning the class today. Today, we are going to learn about descriptive text. But before we continue about it, I want you to see the following picture. Please look at this picture. Okay. What do you think about these pictures? Okay, right. And please look at this picture again. What is its name?
Taj Mahal, Pak.
Okay, good, Ridho. And it's in Taj Mahal Mosque. And for the next question, please look at this picture. Where is it?
India, sir.
Okay, good for Muafiq. It is in India. And for the next question, what does it look like?
Beautiful and big, sir.
Okay, good for Farida. This looks like is beautiful and big. And for description, Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. Jadi Taj Mahal ini letaknya di India dan salah satu tempat beribadah umat Muslim di sana. Okay, for the next picture, look at the screen. What do you think about these pictures? What is its name?
Monas, sir.
Yes, that's right for Hofia. Where is it?
Jakarta, sir.
Okay, thank you for Taufik. And for the next question, what does it look like?
Width and tall.
Okay, that's right for Rokib. The Monas is width and tall. Jadi luas dan tinggi. And for description, the national monument locally known as Monas is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Jakarta. A 132-meter tower topped by a 14.5-ton gold-plated. Jadi Monas ini terbuat dari 14,5 ton emas. Ya. Ini beratnya 14,5 ton emas dengan tinggi 132 meter. And tujuan pembelajaran kita kali ini adalah mendeskripsikan suatu tempat bersejarah dan tempat wisata. And now I want you to watch this video. Please look at this video.
Florida is located on the Indonesian island of Java, literally within an isolated valley, surrounded by swaying palm trees and majestic mountains. This colossal monument is about 25 miles northwest of the bustling city of Yogyakarta. Borobudur is the oldest temple in Indonesia, located in the 8th and 9th centuries. It's also the biggest Buddhist temple.
Okay, we have watched the video, and now it's time for your assignment. write all the information about Borobudur Temple in that video. Jadi yang pertama, kalian tulis tentang informasi apa saja yang ada di video tadi. Okay. For the second question, discuss about the definition, genetic structure, and language features of descriptive text. Jadi kalian tulis pengertian dari kalimat teks deskriptif dan jenis strukturnya apa, unsur kebahasaannya apa. And for the third question, identify generic structure of spoken text in the video. Jadi tentukan generic structure-nya apa saja yang ada di dalam video. Okay? I will share your worksheet. For all groups, look at your worksheet. Everything the information about the video have written on your worksheet. Jadi pengertian dan informasi dari video tadi tentang Borobudur itu sudah saya tulis di lembar kerja kalian. And you just answer the questions. Understand? Yes. Okay, please do your work with your group. This is group 1, 2, and 3. You should search about the information about descriptive text in your textbook. Okay, time to do your work. Ya, perhatikan ya. Baca lagi. Ini di dalam teks ini terdapat rumus apa atau pola apa, simple past, simple present, dan sebagainya. Itu nanti masuk dalam language features. Saya. Okay, time is over. It is time. It's your time to convey your answer. And from group 1, please answer the question. Write all the information about Borobudur Temple in that video. Okay, please, Fatim.
It is located in Magelang, Central Java. Borobudur Temple is also included in UNESCO list of World Heritage
Okay,
Sites.
thank you for group 1 and for Fatim. Give applause for Fatim. For the time. And now, the second question is group 2. Who wants to answer? Okay.
Descriptive text is ways of writing that is the characteristic of a person, place of being next to or identification. It contains the introduction of a person, place, of object that is being described. Description describe the characteristic or qualities of the subject.
Okay, thank you for group 2 and thank you for okay. Give applause for group 2. Okay, and now the last question, it is for group 3. And who wants to answer? Hofia. Okay, please, Hofia.
Paragraph on each is indication that the object Borobudur Temple is presented. The text paragraph is description that.
Okay, thank you for Hofia in group 3 and give applause for group 3. Now we are in the generalization. What descriptive text is? Who wants to answer? Okay.
Descriptive text is a place of writing that is the characteristic of a person, place, or being.
Okay, thank you for okay. For the answer of the descriptive text. And for the next question, what generic structure are?
Identification it contains the introduction of a person, place, or object that is being described.
Okay, thank you for Muafiq. Have answered the second question. And for the next question, what the language features are?
Using simple present tense, using adjective, using action verb, and using noun.
And now, for the last step, I will remind you again. Descriptive text is a piece of writing that lists the characteristic of a person, place, or thing. Jadi descriptive text itu mendeskripsikan tentang tempat, orang, dan benda. And for the generic structure are identification. And identifications, it contains the introduction of a person, place, or object that is being described. Jadi identifikasi ini mendeskripsikan atau memperkenalkan objek itu terlebih dahulu. Biasanya terletak di awal paragraf. And description, describe the characteristic parts, qualities of the subject being described. Dan deskripsinya yaitu mendeskripsikan secara rinci baik sifat dari objek tersebut. And for language feature-nya, using simple present tense, menggunakan simple present tense karena kejadiannya merupakan fakta. And using adjective, menggunakan kata sifat. Dan okay students, it's the end of the lesson today. We have learned about descriptive text and the kind of descriptive text. Jadi kita sudah mempelajari tentang descriptive text, and don't forget to improve your skills, especially for your reading. Jadi tingkatkan lagi kemampuan berbicara kalian, and do your compactness with your group or teamwork. Jadi tingkatkan lagi kekompakan kalian dalam grup. And don't forget to wash your hand and put on your mask if you want to leaving your house. And keep healthy and spirit. Please Taufik, lead your friends to pray. And for your homework, please write or describe your room, your own room. Write in your paper and submit to me tomorrow. Okay, thank you for attention. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.